Hi, I'm Olaf Schneider, the founder and CEO of Cerascreen, and I founded Cerascreen in 2012 as a spin-out of a biotech company in Germany. With Cerascreen, we try to help people to manage their health and to stay healthy, and therefore we provide diagnostic test kits together with Illumina and Fraunhofer, which is a research organization in Germany. We developed a very unique epigenetic test kit where we can measure genetic age. With the genetic age test, we measure methylation on the DNA and then calculate an age, and the difference between that age, that calculated age, and your chronological age is an indicator for your health.
So as a person ages, there are various modifications which happen to the DNA, and we can identify which particular modifications are involved in and correlate with the aging process. The genetic age test will give an indication of overall health profile of an individual, for example, lifestyle, diet, and other activities which an individual might be involved in could alter the epigenetic profile of an individual. That may well give a different result from an individual based on chronological age. So we would expect people to be changing their lifestyles if the biological age turns out to be older than the actual age, maybe take some preemptive measures, and then at an appropriate point do a retest and check and see if their biological age is either shrinking or narrowing.
Our recommendations, they always contain tips and hints how customers can improve their health based on the results that we measured and on scientific findings according to these results. The idea with the epigenetic test is that you run a test multiple times. Our customers are mainly people who want to manage their health actively, proactively, and who are very keen in prevention. And we provide them with tools to assess their health, vitamins, hormonal status, and then find measures to even optimize their health. From my point of view, the benefit of having access to your genetic data is having access to your basic setup. And that gives you access to ideas on how you can improve your health or can adapt your health to your current surroundings. The genetic age test is a very good starting point for analyzing health because it takes a broader look at your health, and then you can use other test kits, for example vitamin D or other vitamin status, to go more into the details of your health, and then find out more about the measures that you can take to improve your health. Consumer genomics is a growing field of testing from my point of view. I think we're only getting started in that area. It gives us an indication of how well we are adapted to our surroundings, and I think in the future we will be able to analyze much more of the data and get even better results and even better recommendations.